3D printed soup, the channel which is hot, tasty and gets in your beard. Let's talk about modern board games. Modern board games have lots of things in common and lots of things that set them apart. One of those important things that sets them in common is modular dungeon tiles. Hundreds of other things. Everything from Mansions of Madness through to Descent through to Gloomhaven has modular dungeon tiles. These are bits of cardboard cut to shape to represent the rooms. And with all the effort they put into doing 3D figures, you'd think they'd start doing 3D dungeon tiles. Yes, they're expensive and they're probably hard to make, but I reckon I can probably replace most of these dungeon tiles with 3D printed versions. So I had a quick look on Thingiverse as usual, and I found some fantastic dungeon tiles which are from a company called OpenForge. They're free, they're awesome, and they look great when they're painted. So let's give a few of these things a print and see if we can't replace the cardboard with a bit of PLA magic. Well, that turned out really, really well. I'm loving these things. You've got these wonderful L-shaped tiles that are light. They're hollow, but they've got really, really nice effects on them. They've got really good texture. So if you go over them with some dry brushing and a few washes, they come up really, really nice. You get everything from these regular 4x4s to ones you've got corners of the rooms. There's also ones which have like full whole rooms. I haven't printed those out yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing those. And then you've got 8x4s as well. And yeah, so I'm really, really impressed by those. OpenForge has some great options. There's everything from actual forges to rooms to wells to altars, all the things you could possibly need. They even do a wonderful section of doors. I think I'll probably print those off next. So thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. As always, I try and put a video up once a week. Don't forget to like, click subscribe, click the notification button to tell you when I upload a new video. I try to do one once a week as always, but to say I'm a bit sporadic, so click the notification button. It will let you know when my videos are up. Comments below as normal, as is the link to the OpenForge tiles on Thingiverse. Thanks for watching.